And this time, let's talk more about time. Read after me. 早上 早上 That's early morning, about from the sunrise to about 8 o'clock. And then 上午上午中午中午下午下午晚上晚上 is about from sunset to before midnight. Okay. So how to say 6 o'clock in the morning? 早上6点 Have you paid attention to the order? In Chinese, we give the general period 早上 first, and then come to the detail 6点 So we don't say 6 in the morning. In Chinese, it should be in the morning 6. 早上6点 And then 10 a.m. 上午10点上午10点 And then 12. 中午12点中午12点 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 下午1点下午1点 Pay attention 2 o'clock. That's not R. That's 2 before the measure word 点 So that's 下午2点下午2点 And 8 p.m. 晚上8点晚上8点谢谢再见